Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today when we are going to talk about okay, how can we off guys auto brightness setting in our phone. Friends, you want to off your auto brightness setting as you don't want to use, and friends, you have brightness problem in your phone. So man, how can you solve guys your brightness problem, your automatic brightness problem, and then how can you off guys your auto brightness setting in your phone. Today I will show you in this video. So before starting video, friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So first of all guys, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Friends, click on guys your display setting guys. Tap on guys display setting guys, and friends click on guys this brightness level setting guys. Tap here to off guys your automatic brightness. So as tap here to off guys your auto brightness. After off guys, you can use guys your brightness setting guys. Your brightness will not increase and decrease automatic in your phone. So like that guys, we can off guys auto brightness setting in our phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you have understood how to off auto brightness setting in our phone. So that's it guys, bye bye friends. I hope friends you have understood. So bye guys.